The CORSAIR 2500D Airflow PC case is an excellent choice for small form factor builds, providing unrivaled airflow and cooling options with its fully mesh front, side, and roof paneling. The unique dual-chamber design of this case allows for effective cooling, ample space for cable routing, drive storage, and power supply unit installation, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. This case is compatible with reverse connection motherboards, including the new ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero motherboards, ensuring a cable-free and visually pleasing view of your system. With room for up to 11 120mm or 6 140mm fans, as well as versatile radiator mounting options, you have a wide range of cooling options to optimize your PC's performance. The second chamber of the case is dedicated to cable management, allowing for a tidy and visually appealing setup that is worthy of display. In addition to its impressive features, the case is also engineered for effortless building, offering easy tool-free drive mounts and a modern front panel I/O, including a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C for convenient device access.